Hello social media, this is Daniel from Property Assistant. Welcome to our listing, Wellington Road in Wokingham. This is a classic character property that's been sympathetically enhanced over the years to provide practical living accommodation with modern convenience. From the road, this home has a pretty facade with driveway parking for a couple of vehicles. There are slate steps that lead to a generous timber porch with a slate roof and hardwood door leading into the welcoming entrance hall. Inside, the entrance hall has a tiled floor, a park glazed door leads to the living room, an archway to the kitchen, and there is a gorgeous feature wrought iron spiral staircase that leads to both the first floor and also to the basement. The basement provides flexible additional accommodation with an inner hallway that leads through to what we have described as the TV room, which has heating, power, lighting and laminate flooring, although this could also be used as a bedroom for visiting guests. The ground floor accommodation comprises a living room with a feature open fireplace with gas fire, sash window to the front, picture rail, high ceilings and ceiling rows and feature cornice with bifolding doors to the dining room. The dining room has hardwood flooring, again a feature open fireplace with bespoke storage to either side of the chimney breast and French doors leading to the patio and garden. There is a refitted kitchen with black high gloss units with integrated Bosch appliances. It's dual aspect via sash windows overlooking the gardens with a Velux window that floods the kitchen with light. The study is neatly tucked away and uniquely shaped, adding to its character with a generous built-in cupboard, laminate flooring, sash window and French doors to the garden. The first floor landing is a generous size, accessed via the feature spiral staircase and filled with light from the front aspect sash window with doors to all rooms. The master bedroom suite is part of the extension. The bedroom has a front aspect, offers loft access via a hatch with a door to the modern fitted ensuite shower room with large shower cubicle with rainfall shower head, opaque glazed window and tiled flooring. Bedroom 2 has a rear aspect and fitted wardrobes built around the chimney breast. Bedroom 3 benefits from a feature fireplace along with built-in cupboards and a front aspect. The family bathroom has been refitted and comprises a panel enclosed bath with mixer taps and a separate shower unit over. There is a low-level WC, wash hand basin and an airing cupboard that houses the hot water tank. There is a larger than average garage that is attached to the property with lighting and power. There is a door that leads to the side garden and a further door that leads through to the inner hallway. Outside to the rear of the property is a private landscaped garden, mainly laid to lawn with a range of plants and shrubs and enclosed by panel fencing. To the side of the property is a decked patio area with storage enclosed by panel fencing and offering a southerly aspect. This property needs to be viewed to truly appreciate the size, versatility and the quality of the finish, so get in contact today to register your interest.